Hello everyone, if you are an Android user, I'm going to tell you how you can increase your screen timeout. If your screen is turning off, right, within 15-30 seconds and you are just reading something and not tapping anything so that the screen is active, then what I can do is go to the settings option. I'll tell you how to increase that time when you're reading or just keeping the phone on and you want it to be on only, right? So go to the settings as I told and tap on display, right? You select by scrolling or just search it. You will scroll it and you will have option of screen timeout. Yes, this is the right place where you can select how long you want your screen to be open if you are not touching or tapping something on your screen, right? 30 seconds are okay, low, but if you want it to be 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, then you can tap on that. The blue dot will tell you how much time you have selected. So it is right now 10 minutes. I personally prefer 30 seconds to 1 minute. And you have to make sure that you know how much time your screen is taking to turn off. See more videos for information and ways to do it. See you in the next video. Tada!